And before we go, let's take a look at China Buzz. Besides the bankrupt Jiangnan leather factory that has become the subject of famous pop song, there is a refrigerator of love in the country's eastern city of Wenzhou. This special refrigerator is put outside a bakery and filled with fresh breads. The bakery owner says she puts the leftover food in the fridge for the hungry to take. To spread the love around, only 2 pieces of bread can be taken at a time. And do you complain about having no time to experience nature? You can try the subway in the city of Hangzhou. One cabin on the city subway is decorated as a forest. It's so real that you can not only see the green, but smell the earth when standing inside. A pleasant way to stay relaxed during your daily grind. And how long can you stand going without your phone in your hand? In order to make students more attentive, a university in Shenyang in northeast China has opened a special study room. Students had to put their phones in a tiny pocket before going into the room. Why don't we have that all over the place?